Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're jumping into another price prediction, this time for GALA Games. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well if you enjoy the content. And if you want to get notified about more videos just like this, make sure to smash that bell notification icon so you can get notified when we drop videos every single day. Don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin as well. It's going to be linked in the description below. It is my gift to you. You can grab a 100% free PDF copy. It will not be free forever, so grab it while you can. Okay, so the gaming narrative has been very popular over the past couple of years in the crypto space in general. In my opinion, it has not been as strong this year in 2024 thus far, but we are going to dive in and give you a price prediction for GALA Games by the peak of the bull cycle in the middle to end of 2025. As always, we're going to analyze GALA through the lens of these 5 different pillars before making our price prediction in the second half of the video, so make sure you stick around until the end. And jumping in, first and foremost, let's look at GALA Games from a fundamental level. So GALA Games is one of the leading games protocols here for the decentralized space when it comes to crypto and blockchain. And GALA Games and their token GALA is basically trying to create an entire world of different gaming experiences for people on chain and make it more efficient for in-game assets to be purchased and leveraged, and creating this ecosystem where people can level up in games by earning NFTs and using different tokens to purchase different assets and getting rewarded in different assets as they scale and level up in their respective games. So again, actually founded by the creators of Zynga. If you remember Zynga back in the old days of Facebook, if you're old enough to remember that, those Zynga games and the Zynga gaming company were extremely popular with the likes of Farmville and other games on Facebook back in the day. So these guys, it is not their first rodeo, and now they're trying to use blockchain technology to make the entire process of in-game assets more efficient, more cost-effective, and getting people involved. Again, I'm not personally a gamer, but I can understand the use cases here for being able to purchase and level up with in-game assets when you're going through a different type of game. So again, you can see the different types of assets that are available for different types of games here as you move through that game and level up. Some of the statistics that they note on their website here in terms of different various milestones, they've got 3 million in terms of being the most expensive NFT sold within the GALA Games ecosystem, 90 plus team members working on GALA, 1.3 monthly active users, and 26,000 total NFTs sold. So again, we know that in this world of blockchain, you need to be having multiple daily active users, multiple monthly active users in order to scale your blockchain and get people actually interacting on chain so that your native token is ultimately inherently valuable or has utility because of the fact that, you know, millions of people are using it every single day, week, and month. So they've got a solid user base already, probably set to grow even further over the course of this bull cycle, depending on the different types of games that we see evolve. So again, when it comes to the narratives for GALA Games, obviously gaming is the big one, as well as NFTs here. We did see a bigger NFT boom back in 2021, and gaming and the likes of the sandbox and the metaverse on Decentraland had a lot more popularity in terms of narratives back in 2021. So again, as I mentioned, I don't think the gaming narrative is quite as strong this cycle, but it is still up there in terms of a lot of the activity that's happening on chain over the past 12 to 18 months. Again, narratives, gaming and NFTs are the glaringly obvious narratives we're talking about here with GALA Games. If we jump into the actual price action and look at the chart over the past year or two, we can see here that we got GALA Games all the way up to a peak price of about 84 cents in the peak of the last bull cycle at the very end of 2021. We saw a huge retracement and a huge drop off here in terms of price, going all the way down to lows of 1 cent. So all the way from 84 cents down to 0.0126 cents here by October of 2023. And we did see a bounce there on upward price movement If you purchased these lows at this level here in October 2023 and held until now, you would be up over 124%. You would have actually been up over 500% with the March high. So when Bitcoin and the rest of the market put in those highs before the Bitcoin halving, when Bitcoin got up to 73K, you would have actually been up over 500% if you were holding GALA from this Q4 period. But we have retraced significantly, and GALA is up only 124%. And I say only because I would say it's probably been outperformed by a number of the other altcoins in the market during that period. So, you know, sitting at this level today, obviously 124% is still a very good ROI if you were buying the low, but many people were buying all the way up here and have a cost basis that is somewhere around, you know, the 30, 40, 50 cents level, and, you know, are still waiting to get back up to those highs before they will sell again. So jumping over to the team, as we mentioned, we did see GALA Games incubated and created by the founders of Zynga back in 2018, Eric Schermeyer, along with Wright Thurston and Michael McCarthy, with the aim to deliver a blockchain-based gaming ecosystem. And again, we're seeing more and more games being built out here within the GALA Games ecosystem, and more monthly active users continuing to leverage their blockchain. Jumping over to the tokenomics, as we mentioned, we can see here that GALA Games did put in a market cap high of about just under 5 billion. So when we were putting in these prices of 84 cents back at the end of 2021, we did see it getting all the way up to a $5 billion overall market cap. Again, significant retracement sees us at a market cap just under $1 billion this time around. So we're sitting at a 921 million overall market cap for GALA Games today. It is the 74th largest overall crypto on the market. And as we can see, the circulating supply is now all the way up to 31.7 billion GALA tokens out of a total supply of 33.8 billion. Now, here's where the tokenomics lets GALA down, because we have seen a significant increase in the amount of GALA tokens in circulation. If we look at the historical snapshot back from November 2021, when we were putting in these all-time highs, we can see the amount of tokens in circulation for GALA was only 6.9 billion. As we mentioned a moment ago, we're now up to over 31.7 billion tokens. That is a 355% increase in the amount of GALA tokens in circulation now versus November 2021. Again, if you're familiar with price predictions on this channel and you've seen some of the other videos, firstly, if you haven't, you should definitely check them out. Secondly, this 355% increase is very much on the higher end of things. We have so many more tokens in circulation this time around. It just means that the price action has to do so much more work just to get back to its previous all-time highs, let alone break beyond those and put in new price discovery for all-time high prices and all-time high market cap. So again, 355% more tokens in circulation means it is very hard, or at least a lot more difficult, for GALA to get back to the same market cap all-time highs and break beyond that. So again, just to summarize, current market cap 921 million, all-time high market cap was just under 5 billion, current circulating supply 31.7 billion, whereas we only had 6.9 billion in circulation back in November of 2021. And again, for our price prediction, we have to estimate the amount of GALA tokens that will be in circulation by middle to end of 2025. So we're going to be plugging in 32 billion into our price prediction equation, as you will see in a moment, for how many GALA tokens are going to be circulating by middle to end of 2025. Again, dominance levels for GALA are currently sitting at a 0.04% overall market dominance level. If we zoom out and look back to the 2021 period, when it was putting in its all-time highs, GALA did get up all the way to a 0.2% overall market dominance level. If you're not familiar with market dominance, it basically means what percentage of the overall market cap did GALA make up versus the rest of the entire crypto market. Again, this is another variable we're plugging into our price prediction equation, so we have to make some sort of estimate as to where we think GALA can get to in terms of overall market dominance this cycle compared to last cycle. Okay guys, very briefly, I want to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is EchoPay. EchoPay and the team are making it super easy and extremely seamless for you to purchase all of your favorite EVM crypto coins and meme coins on the blockchain. all you need to do is head over to echopay.xyz. You can open up their application and sign in with a Google account or similar. They've built in this extremely simple to use interface with single sign-on. And as you can see, you can simply sign in with an existing Gmail or Google account and use their platform to select and purchase your favorite meme coins. For example, they've got Pepe, they've got Brett, they've got Boop, they've got a bunch of other meme coins to select from. And again, if you filter by DeFi, they've got some of the most popular DeFi tokens like Uniswap, Chainlink, Lido, Avo, the Graph token, and even Pendle, which has been one of the biggest performers this year so far as well. So give EchoPay a try, guys. I'm going to be talking with the founder of EchoPay on the channel as well. These guys are building something super cool, creating a very simple interface for you to interact and purchase your favorite cryptos. Head over to app.echopay.xyz. You can grab the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to make it super easy for you guys to jump over here, check it out, create an account, and purchase your first tokens. It is super easy, and I'm super excited to be partnering with these guys. A very genuine group of people, a great team behind the project, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. So let's jump into our price prediction. And as always, we're going to give you a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario. We do have to make certain assumptions and plug in certain variables into this price prediction. So that is why we just spent the past 10 minutes looking at all the fundamentals to give us a better picture on how we can make our best assumptions and plug in those variables into this equation. So in a bear case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap can reach a peak of around $4 trillion US. If GALA can get back up to a 0.12% dominance level, that would give it a $4.8 billion US market cap. And then dividing that by 32 billion GALA tokens gives us a 15 cents price target, which is a 5x from today's prices. Again, this seems considerably low compared to the previous all-time high prices that we looked at a few minutes ago, above the 80 cents level. But you've got to remember, we have billions more tokens in circulation this time around versus 2021. So that is why we're not getting back up to those all-time high prices. In a base case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could reach a peak around $6 trillion US. If GALA can get back up to a 0.15% dominance level, that would give it a $9 billion US overall market cap. So again, it would be an all-time high in terms of market cap. But again, dividing that by 32 billion GALA tokens gives us a 28 cents price prediction, which would be a 9.7x from today's prices. So again, even though we're putting in all-time highs in terms of market cap, it does not give us all-time highs in terms of individual token price. Finally, in our most bullish case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap can reach a peak of around $8 trillion US. If GALA can get back up to a 0.18% dominance level, that would give it a 14.4 billion overall market cap. And again, dividing that by 32 billion GALA tokens gives us a 45 cents price prediction, which is a 15x from today's prices. So once again, not getting back up to all-time high individual token prices, but definitely getting to all-time high market caps. And again, definitely due to the fact that we've got so many more tokens in circulation this time around. And again, dominance levels getting back up to basically where they were the last time around, slightly underneath its 0.2% market dominance level that it got to in 2021. And the main reason I'm saying that assumption is because I don't think the gaming narrative is quite as strong in this cycle as we saw back in 2021. So that is our price prediction for GALA Games. Let us know in the comments below, are you bullish on the gaming ecosystem in crypto? Where do you think the price of GALA is going to? And are you holding GALA Games as part of your bull run portfolio? Drop us a comment below to let us know. As always, if you enjoy the content, please smash that thumbs up button on your way out the door. It would be super helpful for the algorithm to spread this video, to get it in front of the people who want to know more about GALA Games. If you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe as well. If you want to get notified about new videos, make sure to hit that notification icon as well so you can get notified. We are dropping videos pretty much every single day on the channel, and you're going to want to see those videos in order to hit your crypto goals. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Make sure to check it out. It is my gift to you. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.